Good morning, scientists. Here's a quick overview of what we're going to be doing this week. Hope you had a great holiday weekend. So today, Tuesday, we're going to do a little in-class discussion covering what is matter, basically chapter 2.1. If you have your notes available from what we started last Thursday, that'd be really handy. So if you keep those out and something to write with. And then tomorrow, you're going to take a quiz on chapter 2.1. Just like you did last time for chapter 1. Don't use your notes or your Flexbook. Do your best. You get 2 tries. If you have any problems with it, message me. And then tomorrow you're also going to read chapter 2.2 in your Flexbook and fill out the outline graphic organizer. Now, as we go through chapter to chapter, you're going to need to fill in more of your own work on those graphic organizers. So we're practicing learning how to take outline notes as well as learning our cool science material. On Thursday, we've got a fun activity. I think you're going to like it. We're going to do our molecules lab, learn a little bit about molecules. And then on Friday, you'll do your discussion post for the reading that you did on Wednesday. You're going to do your chapter 2.2 discussion post. You're going to do your chapter 2.2 vocabulary. And then Atomatic is a pretty fun game. So you can spend as much time on that as you like. You're going to go in there and build some molecules using that tool. Finally, on Friday, this is an optional task. It's the DNA video and quiz. It's a little bit more challenging. You are not obligated to do that. If you feel like you want to take a little step deeper, then go ahead and try that DNA video and quiz. So that's our week this week. Can't wait to see you all. Take care, everybody.